Hey guys, so this will be an unboxing of the Galaxy Note Fan Edition. As you can see, comes with this heart on the box for all the fans out there, the fanboys, the Samsung Knights. This phone is for you. On the back of the box, you have some info here. It says Samsung Galaxy Note Fan Edition and some info in Korean, as you can see. And here it says, or has the S Pen right there on the side, and on this side, Band LTE and SK Telecom, which is a provider in Korea. I'm gonna slide this out, and here is the device in all of its glory. Very nice. So you can see Galaxy Note Fan Edition. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the phone. Put that to the side, and that's what we get in the box. We get phone making some noises, which is good. Okay, what do we get in the box? We get, I think, yes, we do get a case with this. It's a clear cover case. So you can see, just put that to the side. And in the box, you get the USB cable, your international brick. This is a little tool to pull out the tips on your S Pen. Little adapter, get some headphones in the box. So you can see right there, put all this to the side, and this is what I care about, the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic off, take a listen. Woo! Love it. Do the same thing for the front. Very nice. Turn this on, and let's just go through the startup real quick. I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. I'm gonna go into my Wi-Fi, type in my password. Just gonna skip through all this, agree to all. See, I'm gonna change this to skip all this, skip. And we are in. There we go. Your usual Samsung noises, which is very nice. Go into settings real fast. See what we get out of the box. We get Android version 7.0 Nougat out of the box. Here's your Easter egg. Get the cat out. There you go. I'm gonna go back. And let's see, where's the... There you go. Enable dev options. And I do this to all my phones. Decrease the animation scales to half. The phone will feel a lot faster that way. So as you can see, this is the phone. This phone comes with Exynos 8890 and 4 gigs of RAM. Love how there's no Samsung logo in the front, which is how it should have always been. Right? On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C, headphone jack. Glad to see that on this phone. Speaker, a mic, and of course, you have the S Pen. And one of the things I loved about the Note 7 is that you can do your quick memo here on the screen. You need to write a quick note. Love that about this phone. Put the pen back in. Saved. Love that. And no Bixby button also on this side, Very nice. You have your volume buttons here, power on this side. On top, this is your SIM tray. You got your cameras, you got your iris scanner here in the front, fingerprint scanner, and home button here on the bottom of the phone. Let's see, what else did I miss? That's pretty much it. Here, back here, you got your camera, flash, heart rate sensor, Galaxy Note Fan Edition. Branding, I'm gonna take this decal off because it's not needed. Put it right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick unboxing here of the Galaxy Note Fan Edition. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. Let's see, what do I got? I'm gonna compare this real quick to, this is the S8 Plus. Quick size comparison here. Almost the same size, S8 Plus a little bit taller. Here's the back. I do have the S8 Plus skinned. Okay, and check out the thinness. Both very similar. And you can see here, line them up, the height difference. S8 Plus a little bit taller. And let's see, where's my S7 Edge? Here it is against the S7 Edge. You can see the Note 7 or Fan Edition. A little bit taller. You can see the height difference there. About the same thick-wise. And there we go. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want me to do with the Galaxy Note Fan Edition. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. Let me know in the comments below. I'll be creeping down there. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.